Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Trauma Response Test. So what is a trauma response test? A trauma response test aims to identify an individual's presence and severity of trauma-related symptoms such as intrusive thoughts, avoidance behaviours and hyperarousal, as well as dissociation. They assess the impact of traumatic events on an individual's mental health and well-being. The most commonly used trauma response tests include the PTSD checklist for DSM-5, or the PCL-5, the Impact of Event Scale, the IES, and the Trauma Symptom Inventory, or the TSI. By identifying the presence and severity of trauma-related symptoms, mental health professionals can develop a personalised treatment plan that addresses each individual's unique needs. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this, including therapists, psychologists, and more. Here's how to use a trauma response test effectively. The first step is to complete client information. The second step is to then finish the checklist. You'll then need to integrate results within a treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the trauma response test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download it for free. You can also access the test via our platform, filter by community and assessment, and you can also type in the keywords. Edit however you wish and click Publish to complete. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos in the future.